One of the biggest challenges that you will face as a new Etsy seller is making that first sale. And I'm going to show you some tips on how to overcome that and how to start getting those sales. But before I get into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading about how to make money online. Also, if you have not yet signed up for my Girl Boss email, which is going to be probably 2 to 3 emails per month, I will leave a link in the description below. Please make sure you sign up. You will get so much more that way, and also a few more insider tips and some more things in the email. So let's jump right into this. And make sure you also stay tuned until the end of this video, because I do have something that I want to show you that I did not find out about until earlier this week. Okay, so here is an excellent example of this nursery wall art. Now you want your title up here to, look, she's got it here, nursery wall art, girl XO print set, digital download, blush pink decor, printable poster, girls nursery prints, digital nursery printable. She's got commas right here. She's done her research. The reason that she has commas is that all you have to do is you can highlight this and hit Control-C to copy, or you can right-click and click copy, and then you can just paste it into your tags at the bottom. So this already right here. Now this is an excellent example here. You want to make sure that you have a lot of listings, keep on listing, and you will get a sale, I promise you. But you want to make sure that you are selling things that people actually want. You know, you want to make sure of that. Do your research on Etsy. So you also want to make sure that your photos look fantastic. You know, I've talked a lot in my videos about mock-up photos, but if you do have something that you need to photograph yourself, or if you just don't like the picture that you've taken of it, I've got something I'm going to show you at the end. So let's just take a look in this shop. She has 4,578 reviews, and she has made 90,358 sales. And this is just magnificent. And she's selling wall art printables. So this is just absolutely awesome. And so let me go back into her photos. So she simply made this, and it looks like she even did this with like brush strokes, and then she made the color pink. And she made this look beautiful. She has this in a mock-up photo, but then she goes even further. She's got it on a plain white background. Then she even has a picture of what it would actually look like in a nursery. Wherever she got this mock-up photo, this is beautiful. And then, you know, that. So she is doing an excellent job here of displaying her artwork. I think that, and it says here this is a bestseller right here. So another thing, if you are unsure of what to put for keywords, the first thing you should do is do an Etsy search on something similar to your item, see what they're doing. Now, I could go on and on about Etsy SEO, which they recently changed, and I would read up on that yourself. And you can also use tools like Etsy Rank and see, you know, what keywords to put in. Personally, the way that I always did it, I just simply would think like the customer. If I were looking for an item like that, what keywords would they type in to search for it inside of Etsy? Okay, not a Google search. I'm talking about inside of Etsy, which is where most of your traffic is going to come from, because your audience is already there. It's inside of Etsy. So if you make your Etsy shop look this beautiful, you are going to make a sale. I mean, these are fabulous. I just can't say enough about them. Something that I could create in less than 5 minutes right here. She has taken them and her photos look absolutely spectacular. And that is why her shop is doing so well. And then she also has, you know, excellent description here. And she tells she offers these in different sizes. And she even has a kindly note. And I think that is really nice. She is from Australia, and this seller is from Australia. So she has kindly note here. And I would even add, this is just my personal thing, you know, why are you selling this item? You know, maybe add a personal touch to it. You know, maybe sound like you are a genuinely good-hearted person, and maybe sort of type a story in here about why you're selling this and how much it means to you, you know, or whatever, because I really think that when you add a personal touch in addition to beautiful photos, you are going to get sales. Okay, so this is an excellent example of her shop, and I'm just going to click on it one more time. She has an excellent cover photo that displays exactly what her shop is all about. And, you know, everything on here she has, it just is beautiful. And I also cannot stress enough how much you need to have tabs over here to the left. So, I mean, she has nursery animals for kids, horses, cacti and desert, beach and coastal, tropical, botanical, quotes. So, I mean, she has all of these items, and they are so beautifully displayed. And I even like how she has a little stamp here. This lets people know immediately that it is a digital download. So that's a good idea. You know, so you want your shop to look fantastic. So don't worry about it if you haven't made any sales yet, because if your shop looks this great, you're going to start making sales. So I wanted to show you something I came across too. If you get on Etsy, you can sign up directly through Etsy. It is a site called Photofuse. So if you do happen to have an item and you don't really like, you want it to have like a solid white background, you can use this site and sign up for it through Etsy, or you can just go to Photofuse and you can do, you can just use it, you know, as is. Now, you can use the free version, and there's certain things on here that they charge for, but you can still use this to get a nice, clean background. So if I click here, I'm going to say I'm leaving Etsy and I'm going to Photofuse. I've already done this once, but I wanted to just kind of show you how this works. So I'm going to click here, and I wanted to show you, if you click right here on Upload a Photo, I took a picture of this Christmas ornament laying on my couch, okay? And notice that it has shadows. Now, if it has shadows, you want to make sure you include the shadows. So I'm going to make my brush size right here just a little bit smaller. Maybe just now, this does not have to be perfect. I have realized this. This kind of sort of automatically picks up. And if you just kind of go through here, it does not have to be completely 100% perfect. And then you also want to make sure that you get your shadows. And this is pretty awesome because this just kind of detects it. Okay, and then I'm going to click Finish. I've already done this once and I know that's a small size. And it takes it just a few minutes. It does not take long at all. And then once you do that, you can download it. So I'm actually going to click here on this photo and look how it took that and put it on a nice background. Now you can download this image. If you want the extra large, you have to sign up for their pro version. So I'm going to pull this photo up and look, there it is. We've got our photo right there on a clean white background. So if you do want to have something on a clean white background and also make it look like it has a shadow, then you can do that. And then we can save as. And I'm actually going to pull this up real quick on iPicky and show these photos to you side by side. Okay, so as you can see here on the left was the original picture that I took of the photo, and here on the right is the clean background. So if you do need to use or have a clean background, you can use that site, and I will use or leave a link in the description below to Photofuse. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, please do not forget to sign up for my Girl Boss email, which I think that you will get a lot out of. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, so you do not miss out on any future videos about making money online. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.